Hey, this is Deepak here from digitaldeepak.com, and in this video we are going to have a look at how to trigger an SMS to someone who has made a purchase from you from your payment gateway. So this need not be always a purchase. This can be a landing page lead as well, and as soon as you get the phone number of the person, you will be able to trigger an SMS to this person. So in this example, I am going to use this tool called SMS Horizon, and if you are going to use some other tool, you can use that as well. There are plenty of providers in India who do SMS automation, but I recommend SMS Horizon because this is my friend's company and he is doing a very good service. So let me log in into this. So here you can see that for this SMS service I have got a custom sender ID. So this custom sender ID you need to get an approval from, I think, telecom authority. So if you raise a request to these people that you need a custom sender ID subject to the availability, you will be able to get it. So I was able to get the sender ID called Deepak, so that's why whenever you get an SMS you get it from my name itself. So here I can enter number, I can send a message directly if I want, but that's not what we are going to have a look at. We are going to have a look at how to send SMS via API. So what I will do, I will go ahead and use Zapier for this. And in Zapier previously we had set up a Zap for new purchase of the email marketing course. So I am going to this email marketing mastery folder. So here we have set up a automation where we are capturing the data via webhooks whenever a sale happens at InstaMojo, and we are sending it to Drip. So what I could do now is that I could just go ahead and add another step in this entire Zap. So I will click on add, and here I have to use webhooks again. So remember that you have to use webhooks for the trigger and then webhooks for the action as well. So here in the action it's going to be a get request. Let me click on save and continue. So here in the URL I need to get this URL from the SMS service provider. So this is the URL. I can add it here, and I need to add all these parameters. So let me add that and get back to this video. So here you can see I have added the user as Digital Deepak, I have added the API key, and now I have to add the mobile. So here you can see these are the different parameters. So mobile equal to, it says XXYY, which means that it is a variable here. So this variable will be fetched from the initial step, which is catch hook, and here you will have the buyer phone. Now I can go ahead and add the other parameters. So message, so this will be the message I am adding. So I can even address them by name. So I will say hi buyer name, thanks for, and I can add my name here, and I can also add support at digitaldeepak.com. Now I need to make sure that this character count is not more than 160 characters, because 160 characters is one SMS. So I will just do a character count. So this is coming to 141 characters, and we have hi buyer name. So I believe that that would comfortably fit inside 19 characters, so that's not a problem. Now I will add the next variable. So the next two variables that have to be added are sender ID and type. So sender ID is my sender ID and type is txt. So after I click continue, I am seeing this page. So this is done. Now I will click on create and continue, and I will click on finish. So I will turn on the Zap. So whenever you add an extra stage to the Zap, it gets turned off automatically, then you have to turn on. So now whenever a sale is generated at InstaMojo, the data is going to be passed to Drip, a welcome email is going to be triggered, and we are also going to send a welcome SMS. So let's go ahead and try it out. You remember that we had created a 100% discount code for email mastery. So that's EMM test. So what I will do, I will go ahead and purchase from EMM test, add a phone number and see if it works. So let me just add my name and email mastery test at googlemail.com. So you can see that earlier I had mentioned gmail.com, now I am entering googlemail.com, so it is taken as a different email ID by Drip and other systems, but inside Gmail it will be the same inbox. So I will go ahead and just add my own number here. and click on claim it for free. So what would now happen is that this data will be posted to Zapier webhook by Instamojo. Zapier will take the data, send it to Drip, and at the same time the same Zap will also send the data to the SMS gateway so that the SMS can be triggered. So now to verify whether this has happened, what we need to do is that we need to go back and check our Zapier account, and we will check task history. So inside task history you can see that this particular trigger has happened and sent one new get to webhook. So here you can see the data out. So this result is thrown back by the SMS server, which means that the Zap has worked, and inside Drip also the data has been updated. So if I go into sent SMS, I will be able to see the email that has been just sent to my number. So you can see this is the number, and here you can see, hi Deepak, thanks for investing in the email marketing mastery course. Please check your email for further details. So whenever payment happens for email mastery course, again you can see that the email will be triggered by Drip and the SMS will be triggered by SMS Horizon. So this is how you create SMS automation, and this is very useful when you want to engage leads via Facebook lead ads. So when you are generating leads via Facebook lead ads, they are going to give your phone number as well, and you will be able to engage these people by sending an SMS link directly instantly. So that is going to increase engagement because the read rate for SMS is much higher than email. And in the future videos we will also discuss how to create a workflow, and we can also send SMS as a Drip campaign where they are getting one SMS every 2 days. So that's about it for this video. If you have any questions, leave a comment below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.